I'd like to make a motion.
Okay.
I'd like to make a motion. I don't know how it's going to proceed, but I'd like to make a motion that we just deny the text amendment.
We have a motion. Do we have a second? Commissioner McDowell.
Mr. Chairman, I would first of all like, before I second this motion, like to thank all the effort that legal, time and effort, legal, planning and zoning, and that Planning and Zoning Commission have put into this process. I also appreciate the robust discussion about this issue that we've heard tonight. I think that is a function of government and important policies, and with that I would second the text amendment motion to deny.
We have a motion and a second. Is there any further discussion? Commissioner Henry.
You know, I appreciate all of the people that commented on this, and nobody was in favor of it, as you saw at the beginning of the meeting. The thing that bothers me, one of the things that bothers me, is this may end up just having more lawsuits filed, and I don't think we need that. I don't think we need to talk about it that much. I will tell you that planning and zoning is not easy. And there's private property rights issues on both sides. We talked about one up there on the hill at Wardwell the other day. And there's private property rights issues on both sides. So planning and zoning is not easy, but I agree with the idea of not tabling it and talking about it some more. Let's just forget it.
Good.
Go on. So,
Thank you.
Mr. Chairman, I have one other thing. I too want to thank the planning department. And I have to say, it was brought to my attention, and maybe I have a lost memory or something, that this was discussed. And that's why we asked the planning department to look into it. Well, if it was, folks, I can't remember if it's on tape or if it's in the minutes. I'll be the first one to eat crow.
Let me get you one.
I just can't remember it. And like I said, I'll be the first one to eat crow if someone tells me that, yes, I agree to it. Because you know me, and I'll tell you, if I'm wrong, I will admit it. But I don't remember this being brought up before, that I can remember. I was debating if I should say that or not, but I said it, because I really don't remember it.
Thank you, Commissioner Winker.
Mr. Chairman, I had forgotten about it, but I do remember talking about it. And it was on the Jones case, because it was referenced in that case by the judge, and I do remember talking about it. So I would like to thank the legal staff for looking into it. And this is what came out of it. But I'm hearing a lot of dissatisfaction, and it may just not work. But I do remember.
Thank you. Any other discussion? If not, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Those opposed, same sign. Motion carries.
Good job, guys. Thank you.